Nephelium, very interesting remedy for sciatica and rheumatic pain which is associated with numbness. That is the characteristic. It can be backache, it can be headache, it can be pain in the extremities, but patient will emphasize a lot on this numbness, as if it is a concomitant symptom is numbness. Intense severe pain, better by flexing the thighs into the abdomen. Amelioration by sitting erect or sitting in erect position. Also better by sitting on chair. It reminds me one very interesting case at my village. One patient entered at my clinic, and though there was a bench, he requested for a chair. That was a very interesting observation for me. In spite of having bench, why he needs chair? Then I observed he's just sitting on as if knee chest position. His thighs are drawn into abdomen and he's quite comfortable in that position only. I was wondering he could have done it on bench also. Why? Or he could have lied down and he could have drawn his extremities or thighs on the abdomen. But why he needed the chair? I was wondering on that. And then after searching little bit, I could see that in this particular remedy, Nephelium, strong characteristic symptom is also better by sitting on chair and with this numbness, and as I said, drawing the thighs into the abdomen, patient is much better. Next remedy is guaiacum, very frequently used remedy for rheumatic complaints. Guaiacum is a remedy for joints, very useful for arthritis. Lot of stiffness like rustox, but in rustox it is better by movement. In this, that is guaiacum, worse from motion, also aggravated by pressure, aggravated by heat. So it is exactly opposite of rustox. Another characteristic direction of the pain is very important. Pains from the head goes to neck, descending, and pain from ankle goes upwards up to the knee. If this characteristic combination is there, guaiacum is very interesting remedy. Another remedy nowadays I use very frequently, which gives very good result, is Rhamnus californica. Remedy for inflammation, especially arthritis and very swollen, painful joints with profuse perspiration. Strong characteristic symptom is patient walks like a drunkard man, like a staggering gait. And very similar to calcarea, like one particular case I remember, patient had lot of anxiety about family, lot of anxiety about finance, and with that very fatty patient, fair patient, flabby patient. But in calcarea there is mostly perspiration during sleep. But in Rhamnus, with every acute attack of rheumatism, there is a lot of perspiration. This is a differentiation point. And lot of inflammation. It can be muscle, it can be joint. So this remedy is very, very helpful for this kind of rheumatism.